And welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make these beautiful scrolls which are good for filling in work when you're doing your paper quilling projects or any paper crafting projects really. It's just an extra bit of oomph for whatever you're using, and they're really simple to make. So let's get started. I'm doing these in pink and green because I'm doing a project that I'm going to be uploading a video for. So I'm just showing you how to make all the pieces individually so the video is not too long. These are 20cm strips and they are 3mm. You can make them any size or length, whatever you've got. This is just what I'm using. So I take the full strips, one of each colour. You can use just one colour or more if you wish. I'm just using two because this is the project that I'm doing. And I'm going to let those slip. Just fold them in half. Grab a pair of scissors and cut them. So I'll do that once again. So you've got 8 parts altogether. Now with these ones I'm doing 2 that's got green on the centre and 2 that's got pink on the centre. I've already done the 2 green ones, so I need this one to have a pink centre. So I need to stick all these pieces together. So I'm starting off with the pink one because that's what's going to be the middle. And then just a little bit of glue, and then I'm alternating the colours. Don't need a lot of glue, it's just to keep them pinched in the centre of the coil. It's handy if you have a baby wipe at the side of it just to clean your fingers off out, because you get a lot of glue on your fingers when you're doing quilling. Now if you want, when you're cutting your strips up, they already come out so they're alternated, but I just wanted to show you how to do it a bit more closely. So right, so I'm wanting the pink on the inside, so I have the pink facing me, and then take a pair of tweezers and then just hold them at the end and then just curl them round. As you can see, it's like making a tight coil with your quilling tool, just until you get to the end, and then I release it like that, and then unwrap away the tweezers. Now as you can see, they've got a nice curl going on, but I want a bit more of a tighter curl. So now your paper's got a bit of memory as to that shape that you've just put it in. You can just roll it a bit more like that now. So as you can see, I've got a nice C shape. Now to get this look, which has got the separation in between the colours, you can just either pull down on each colour individually, or each strip should I say, and just be careful you don't pull them too hard because you don't want them to come too separated. Or the other one is you can push up, and it's just, again, it's just depending on how big of a gap you want in between your strips of paper. It's just finding what you want. I think some glue's got stuck on this one because it doesn't seem to want to part for me. I can use a cocktail stick to do this. Just using my tweezers because they're there. Really don't want to separate from it. Ah, there we go. So that's about as much as I want mine to go. And that's that. You can still curl them round more once you've got them stuck. And then the next thing is just to put a little bit of glue in between each of the strips, just to keep them stuck together, because you don't want them to come out of place now. And then just slide your fingers down and they'll get stuck together. And then you've got your scroll. So I'm showing you these because I've got a project in mind that I'm going to be doing. I'm showing you these beforehand in case you want to make any. For the project that I'm doing you need 4. So hopefully you'll want to catch that, and I'll see you next time. Bye!